how to set comment notifications on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap gear icon. Here in settings in privacy and preference section, you can see here the notifications. Okay, you can tap this. Here in notifications and what notification you receive section, okay, you can see here the comment. So Facebook may still send you important notification about your account and content outside of your preferred notification settings. Okay, you can set the comment notification, okay, by tap this and you can see here the option. So where you receive this notification, so you can set the push, email, and SMS. You can enable or disable this by switching on or off the switch button on the right side. So for my example, I turn off the push notification and turn on the email and turn off the SMS. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set comment notification on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.